Welcome. I hope you've liked and subscribed to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for you to know when other classes are coming in. So in this video I'll be teaching you about sequence. What is sequence? So right now there are two ways to create sequence. Either you drag your clip from here to your timeline, or you right click, come under new item, sequence, then this comes out. Okay, here I'll explain what a sequence is. A sequence is a window where you tell the computer, okay, this is the resolution I want to be working with, the this is the resolution I want to be working with, this is the frame rate, this is the so and so, this is the size and the rest, this is what I want to work with. That's what a sequence is. So already in Premiere Pro they are already made down sequence already. There's the array which comes with the 1920 by 1080p. Inside that 1920 by 1080p, we have array 1080p, let me say 30 frames. We have the 25 frames, we have the 24 frames, we have the 30 frames, we have the 29.97 frames. We have the 2K, or you call it 2880p. There's also 2K, the same thing. Your frame rate and the rest is by the side. Then we have the AVC. Depending on what camera you're working with, if you know the camera you're working with, you know what they are recording on, you just come here and select the sequence. Then there's what we call a customized sequence. Okay, you want to create a specific sequence. Okay, I want to do a video for TikTok, or I want to edit a video for Facebook, or I want to edit a video for Instagram. And all these social media sites has different frame rates and the rest, the resolution and the rest. How to create a customized sequence? You come to this setting, you here you see editing mode, you click on this editing mode, you scroll up to the beginning, you select customize. How many frames am I shooting on? Okay, I'm shooting on 30 frames. I come here, look for 30 frames. Okay, yeah, this is 30 frames per seconds. Then I'm doing, let me say I'm doing Facebook. I come here, Facebook is 1:1, and 1:1 is 1080 by 1080. That's 1:1. 1080 by 1080. Okay, Premiere Pro is seeing it as 3:2, but normally it's 1:1. That is the same size of all sides. Then all these blah blah blah, you don't need to touch all these ones, they're already made down. Then you come here, video preview, leave it on 1080, blah blah blah. That is what. Okay, now I clicked on this and automatically Premiere Pro recognized it as 1:1. You see it, Premiere Pro was automatically seen it as 1:1. Then here is where I save the name of the sequence. Okay, let me say Facebook. Yeah, save it as Facebook. Then here you save presets. Here is where you set how many tracks do you want on that sequence. You set stereo tracks, or you do 3 tracks. Here VR video, none. If you're doing a VR video, that is 360 video, these are you now set whether it's the 360 video or 180 video. Those are VR. If you know about VR headsets, you want to edit a video for VR headset where everything looks real. When you wear the VR headset, you turn left, turn right, the video replies with you and the rest. This is where you do it, but I'm not doing a VR headset, so I say none. And I just come here and say save. Here I can type the name. Okay, Facebook. book. Then description, what is it all about? Blah 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 blah. Then you say okay. Then Premiere Pro loads it. Blah 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 blah. Customize come here. If you notice, yeah, Facebook is here. Then when you click OK, it sets all the sequence and everything for you. Then you start editing. That's all about sequence. And I'll see you in the next class. I hope you've liked and subscribe so you know when the next class is coming up. So see you, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next class.